Good evening to all of you. This is Ranjan from Smart Finance Chennai. And you are seeing here our web URL smartfinancing.com. And this presentation I am going to describe how our Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly trend levels worked till date. So we have released this weekly trend report of Nifty and Bank Nifty on 20th of November 2021. So in this regard also we have released the video in our YouTube channel. So you would have witnessed it if you have visited our website or YouTube channel. You would have seen this 3 days before. We have just released Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly trend using the 1SD. So 22nd to valid from 22nd to 25th November 2021. So this is what we have released. And today we are standing on 23rd of November, 23rd of November. So I am just going to testify myself to show you how these calculations has worked. So that will be a biggest testimony of our calculations. So more than the targets, stop loss and all, whatever the calculations have been done on that particular day, 2 days are gone, opening basis, closing basis, days high, days low basis, where we are standing. So if I just go to the NSE site and you can see that 22nd, that our levels calculated, it was valid from 22nd November to 25th November. 22nd November, Nifty opened at 17,798, high was 17,804. Low was 17,301.55 and closing happened at 17,435 and 450, 17,450 was the last traded price which has happened yesterday. So go back to our calculations. So here is our calculations, and this calculation says that, and in that particular video I have told above 17,841 our trend will be up. This has not happened. So 698 would have come because 795 Nifty has opened, 805 also happened. So here 17,699 below downtrend breakout happened and different levels are achieved. However, the most important factor is yesterday's low 1.55. So this was a great level to remember. So here you can see our calculation. Here I have just told there is a colored line here. We used to say it is the Fibonacci death zone or the reversal zone. So this was the calculations happened. This was the calculation 17,348, 17,298. From here, it has a great bounce back happened. 301. If you can compare with this particular first cycle also, 281 as our last target, it has achieved till 301 point something. It has just 20 point, there was a miss. However, as per the second cycle, the low was very formulated, very close near to our calculated point. And it was 17,449. So that is the closing. So 49. So that too also 10 to 15 point lacking. It has happened. So what was the event for today? So suppose if you just look into today's pricings, today's day's low was 17,250, open 325, high was 550, and 489 was the closing. So this was happened, 489 was closing. This has happened today, and so 449 yesterday's closing, today 489. So this is what happened today. So let us calculate, let us compare with our calculations. So 250, 250, 17,250 was the low for the day. So this is the again second cycle here, though it penetrate, and that 250 also has come in a very small time frame, 250. So 17,250 was the low, then 325 was the opening price, 17,325 was the opening price. So here 48 below, again death zone, it is opening, and 250 low it has made. However, could not sustain below, moved above, and 550 high, 489 closing. So 550 was the high. So 17,550 was the high. So 550 was the high, and 17,489 was the closing. So 550 is again, it is coming to our decay cluster 1. So very close, near to that, lacking by 8 points, and 489 it is closing. So what is this decay cluster and growth cluster? When you are in the second cycle, this 17,557 acts as a stop loss. If Nifty manages to cross above this 17,557, then there is a trend reversal possible till 17,698. So this is what this decay cluster tells us. So here, very convincingly, you can say that 250 was the low, 335 opening, and 489 was the closing. 489, 17,489 was the closing. So all these readings, have a look here, how close proximate way the Nifty is honoring or obeying these levels calculated 3 days before. So 20th you are calculating, and 22nd, 23rd, the Nifty has obligated this. 2 more days are there. So again 24th and 25th are there. So those days opening, low, high and close, if we can map it, so we'll know the authenticity of this method. So that's why I used to say, if you are a serious trader, if you believe in the mathematical way of trading, then this particular tool is a best tool for you, and it is available in the 2 forms: monthly subscription 590, yearly subscription 6490. And here I just wish to convey one message to all of you, because today the registration is closing for our 27th November webinar. 27th November 2021 webinar, which is being scheduled few days back, and there I am going to describe 4 best option strategy models and 4 different intraday trading models. The registration for this program is going to be closed today. If you are interested, do register for this program and take benefit of this particular subjects. So do verify I too have also done this Bank Nifty levels and given in that video. So if you just go through this video, Bank Nifty weekly trend levels also I have given there. So do verify with the Bank Nifty levels. You will come to know the truth secret of this calculation. Since we are doing few days before, those levels may not work to the point. Exactly, it may not happen. With a small deviation of 5 to 10 points, if they are happening, or in Bank Nifty at least 40-50 point deviation if it is happening, then you can trust in those calculations. So calculations meaning is whatever calculations you are getting, that must be respected by the market. Market must follow those calculations, accept those calculations, honor those calculations. Then only those calculations has the meaning, or else not. So this is a fantastic tool developed using the real-time volatility estimate, Fibonacci method, as well as 1 standard deviation price estimations. So do follow this for another 2 more days are there. Follow it, compare those happenings, market happenings, open, high, low, close, along with our readings. You will know the truth of this method. So thank you very much. Thank you for yours.